My name's Rebecca, and today I'm doing a review on this galvanized raised bed. This raised garden bed was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's get this box open and get it put together. I wanted to start a vegetable garden here for myself and my family, and I thought that this would be a cool thing to have. You see is what came in the kit. The piece right here is the corner pieces, and then you have the panels. It also has the stakes that are good for the support and the structure, the corner pieces, and the protective corner pieces that will make it easier and better for you. It also comes with all the hardware in here and a set of instructions. Gloves are used because it is galvanized steel. Through the instructions, they seem pretty straightforward. It's going to be very easy to put it together. Now these extra support beams for the middle, they will have a place that you can screw them into. But let's get it together. These are really easy to tighten the screws. I will need a Phillips screwdriver to tighten it more. But we have a end piece in two of the pieces so far. And I'm just going to hand tighten them right now, and I'm going to go back through and tighten them very well with the Phillips screwdriver. And so far it's been so easy to put together. Look how good this looks. Now this is 12 foot by 2 feet, and it is 1 foot in depth. Is that underneath it doesn't have a base, and go into the ground more, and it will cover more area for the roots to be in. Look how nice that this does look. I love the corner pieces, that it is a protecting layer of this plastic that comes with it. It's also anchored down. You can see that it fits so much in here. It has the center support beams. And I have put a little bit of stuff out here. I can't wait. This is so much bigger of an area than what I'm used to. Another great feature at the bottom, I do have my sweet potatoes here. So these deep-rooted vegetables will do such a great job here. All in all, I think this is a great garden bed, and I suggest it.